One of the things that I think is very important in a wrongful death case is to talk with the family. And I truly mean this when I say that we are saddened by what has happened to the person, and we truly try to help the family through what is a very, very difficult time. In my firm, one of the other things that I tell clients who have lost a loved one is that if they're interested in investigating a lawsuit, that they only have a short period of time to do that. So they need to investigate the case and provide us the information so that we can try to determine what happened, if there is someone at fault, and whether we can help the family. In many cases that we have, in fact most of the cases that we have, they're very serious injuries, or unfortunately sometimes somebody has died, what we call a wrongful death case. And in these types of cases where, for example, a person has suffered from paraplegia or quadriplegia or tetraplegia, for example, where part of the body is paralyzed, or if a person suffers from an amputation of some kind, or God forbid a brain injury. There are many types of serious injuries that I represent clients for, but what we try to do in every single case is to provide a human feeling, because we are in fact very compassionate about our clients and what they've been through. So for example, my assistants and I, we spend a lot of time on the phone just dealing with the victim, dealing with the family, talking with that person, and trying to, although it's never going to be the same again, we try to help them understand to make the best out of the situation. That's obviously very bad to begin with, because otherwise they wouldn't have called us. So part of what I think that we do, and that we do well, because we've represented a lot of people who have these types of injuries, the paralysis, the amputations, etc., is that we treat them fairly, that we listen to them, that we talk to them, and that we try to help them cope to the best that they can with what they've been through. It's a very painful process for us, but it's also a painful process obviously for them. In fact, obviously it's much worse, because they're dealing with both the physical injury and the pain that comes with it, but also the emotional and mental anguish that comes along with an injury like that. So one of the things that I think that we do well, and that I've always taken pride in doing for our clients, is to talk to them and really make them understand that we care and that we're here for them, because it's not just about a lawsuit. At the end of the day, we represent these people and we really care for them.